Are your controller buttons not working properly on your Nintendo Switch Lite? This issue can happen due to dust buildup, calibration problems, or system glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Quick recalibration. From the home menu, go to Settings, scroll down, and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, look for Calibrate control sticks. Your problem may be button related, but this is also important for the fix. Open it. Now tilt the stick you want to calibrate according to the position shown in the screen. On the calibration page, press X to calibrate. Follow the prompts to finish the calibration. After that, go back, find Test Input Devices, and open it. Choose Test Controller buttons to see which ones aren't responding correctly. Make sure to press all the buttons to find the problem. If any are stuck or laggy, continue to the next fixes. Solution 2. Reset controller connection. From your Switch home screen, go to System Settings, scroll down, and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, scroll down to the bottom. Select Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen process to disconnect. After that, repair your controllers by attaching them or syncing. Solution 3. Update the controller firmware. Go to System Settings again, scroll down, and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, look for Update Controllers and select it. If there's a firmware fix for button responsiveness, this will apply it automatically. That's how to fix it when your Nintendo Switch Lite controller buttons aren't working properly. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe for more simple Nintendo tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.